The show must go on. I know you guys are just processing the unpacked, but as I said, the show must go on. And up next is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is going to take the traditional phone form factor to a whole new level. Samsung has been the best when it comes to the fingerprint scanner experience on their flagship phones ever since they first introduced this on the Galaxy S10 back in 2019. The 3D ultrasonic scanner has been reliable, accurate, and fast, but things could get ridiculously better if Samsung decides to adopt this latest tech from Qualcomm, the Ultrasonic Max Scanner for the S23 Ultra. Yes, the Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint scanner reading area is about 17% bigger than the previous generation, with the ability to enroll 2 fingers at once. According to Qualcomm, the Sonic Max fingerprint scanner offers an incredibly fast fingerprint enrollment process. Once your fingerprint is enrolled, it delivers possibly the fastest unlock in mobile history, which is just 0.2 seconds. Samsung is now rumored to adopt this technology finally on the Galaxy S23 series. The bigger scanning area and the fastest unlock speed will make such a big difference in daily day-to-day usage. Also in the news, the biggest camera upgrade of last 4 years is indeed coming. South Korean media has leaked that Samsung has now informed the partners of its 200 megapixel camera plans for the S23 Ultra. Samsung's mobile experience division shared confirmed information with major camera partners that the 200 megapixel camera is happening on the S23 Ultra. They've shared the details of the development and the approximate production plan. These companies will soon start developing the required parts that Samsung needs for the making of this new 200 megapixel sensor. This news confirms that the 200 megapixel camera of the S23 Ultra does not exist right now, meaning it will indeed be a special HP2 Hexa sensor that Samsung has allegedly planned for the S23 Ultra series. As always, Samsung is keeping the best and the special sensor for their own flagship. Since the development is now about to kick off, I believe we're going to see a lot more leaks and details regarding the upcoming Galaxy S23 series. It's definitely going to be another epic year. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S23 Ultra series. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.